matrices. But before I go further, I have 100 lines, and I want to ask the GPT to design my training script before I go further, so I can make sure I got the right training script, just in case I just tokenizing this data for no reason. Okay, here, write it out. It's my data. Okay, let me fix my data before I feed it to GPT before he see the spaces and think anything of it. No, my data is not going to be spaced out like that. Wouldn't work for my matrices. Is B. Here is N. Okay, I just gave it an example of my code and a little description of what I'm working on. Let's see, could it process what I need done? What type of what they call matrices? Identify the tokens. Since the data appears to have repetitive or patterned sequence within identifiers A1 through A5, you can tokenize identifiers to capture the X segment A, B, C, and the step within the segment separately, which may help later if pattern analysis is needed. Hmm. Convert to array or matrix structure. Each row value in a vector or matrix grouping by segment. Each ER row starting with A into one 5 by 5 matrix or similar structure. This approach maintain data consistency across rows. Okay. To automate this tokenization, well, yes, I guess yes. I usually wouldn't say yes, but since I'm on video, I would say yes. But I usually would say, please explain a little bit more, or I would have came up with a way, or a better way, because whatever GPT you have going, sometimes structured data is data into a matrix and format for easy handling. Kind of what I'm saying. So I think it's going to shorten the calculations even more, or matrix even more. So let's go here to our script. Okay, file matrix handle. pi matrix handle dot pi. Okay, let's go here. Data. I'm not sure if it will work like that. I think you gotta take them. Okay. Did it not write to a script? So let's say matrix for A. What are we doing here? Literally, what does that does nothing for me train this data to a reason why I am doing it the way it was is because I want the matrix to understand the full calculation of, let's say, this, for example. Okay, see this for example, and I want it to also have an inference script that if I put in for example, it would give me the full calculation that was if I was B would give the full B calculation. And I have a familiar script, something like that, but I forget what happened. I think it's just a different matrices. I can go here, and as you can see, my whole thing is just too much. Okay. Now I don't know what am I doing. Okay, for AI training, what are you doing? You can use the following function. It will look for the identifier. I don't want to do that. But when it does it, it's not saving to a script. Today, GPT is just moving too fast for me, doing stuff that I don't need. Can you just give me a script that I could train my data with? It's in a .csv file name. I don't even know what my data is named. We went token, token on the pop.csv. Should have showed them how it looks. Like this. Too late. Nope. data and not the full training.csv as it has hundreds of lines of data. You idiot. Sorry, guys, but sometimes GPT just be right out of control and just doing too much and going ahead of itself and just implementing things that I do not need, do not want, or do not even understand. Okay, at least it has look like it's doing what it needs to do now to train the data. Make sure it knows the matrix size is 5 by 5, row 5, column of 5, row of 5, and column of 5. Let's see what this train. Train 5. Okay, and what did I call the script? Let me just get it. Token M. I wish I could just run it in here. I know I should. Next time I will clean up my folder before I even start a video, so people don't be confused. Oh, that's not what I want. The whole thing. Okay. Oh shoot. Whoa. CSV. M.csv. Not .py. Py. See with the train. With the training script I just got from GPT. See the epochs and the laws. Expected 6. And got 5. It's a 5. Input size is 5. Oh no, it is 6. Oh, because it's taking the first one as the matrix, not the header or the something else. Let me see. Here we go. Exit. Why did I have it at 5? I had to change it. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, why did you put it as 6? I had to change it. I had to change it to 5. Here's the script. Okay. And please explain the results to me. Okay. Pause for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm glad you caught the issue with the sequence length. It's an important detail as the model input size need to be matched to the length of each row of your data in token M. By changing it to 5, the model successfully recognizes each 5 element sequence in your data. Is it training the letters? Okay, what? Why you all notice that the loss decreases over time, which means the model is improving at predicting outputs, specifically starting with a loss of around 0.39 at epoch 10. It dropped down to approximately 0.05 by epoch 40. This is steady decrease in the loss shows that the model has learned from the data and is making better prediction as training progresses. The final loss of around 0.11 at epoch 50 suggests that the model has a converged well interpretation. Given a drop in loss, the model appears to have learned. Could you give me an inference script where I can put a certain letter? Did it train the letter, the lettering also? Because now I want an inference script that I could feed a letter to. This is basic AI development. I'm going to do a basic AI application. Usually, I have something meaningful, very more meaningful that I'm training. But right now, I'm just training calculation just to show guys how to train or show people to make the video, show people how to basically train any data. And this is just a calculation of a matrix. Usually, when you're training data, you're working with matrices. So I just wanted to make a calculation of a matrix inside a matrix and just train it just to show the how the AI trains the model or works, and going through it with GPT where you don't have to really do any coding yourself anymore. Prepare input becomes okay. So did it even save a model when I trained it? Oh yeah, train. Yeah. I got so many AIs. I just need to let me pause the video 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I just want to clean up a little bit. Real messy sometimes. Okay, right now it should work. And I wanna if I get an error, I wanna try to go through the error. Usually I just give it to GPT, but now I like to read errors because they rarely come in development. Got the right thing in. Oh, I didn't train it yet. Training. Forgot this is a new folder. So let me go to upload it again. This is the right script. There we go. 5 and 5. Make sure the matrix is matches. Okay, training. Should train and set up. There we go. It's good results. Good epochs. And third.py. See what happens. Import the trained model. Import new training. Import sequence model. No module name. New training. Did the model not save? No, I want to train a model. I would have been looking for the model, and he might have to update. The GPT might need to update the training model to make sure it's identifying the letters. I think that's the only problem where that I'm not seeing as I do this, because it's supposed to train a 6 by 6 matrix with the numbers. I mean, with the letter and the number, but it's instead of training a 5 by 5 matrix because it can't train the uneven matrix. Something like that. But we'll see once we get to that step. Okay, copy this. Train once again. Okay. Nope. Training one. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay, trained again. Trained as that model. Okay. Should have gave me a new inference script also. Oh no, this is just a model. Inference. From new training import sequence model. Okay, it's new training. Must got a wrong CV or something. New training. Where is that at? Okay, import the training model. From new training. I think something is new training. This was new training. Should be training one now. Training one. Mhm. I didn't want to train it again. Did I put the wrong script? Inference with your model. This is the inference model, right? Yeah. Why do it train the model? I don't want to. Hold on. Am I? Yeah. Why would it train the model? The inference script training the model. I just wanted it to do inference. And GPT is still free. Still 4.0. This is amazing. I've been on here for about an hour. This should be the last free query. Okay. What? I don't want to load the process the data because that's going to cheat the model. In every video I do, ChatGPT does that same thing. GPT, you're cheating the model. Oh my gosh. What is this? Make sure it's. Can you make sure the output is no decimals? Sure, the output is what they call it. They call it. They call it. Hmm. Rounded. Wow. I just said rounded. The way I talk to the GPT, I just want to punch my laptop sometimes. Why would you give me an inference script without rounded output? I mean, we do not need to see that much detail of what's going on. This is just a quick video. The output, if my output needed rounded numbers, I mean unrounded numbers like this, it wouldn't be bad, but not today. Okay, let's see how close we come to the inference with just this much data, training data. It's not rounded still. Lose the that's 4.0 ran out. As you can see, it's working faster now. It's on 5.0. 5.0 on steroids. Might not work. Okay, here we go. Now it looked like it's cheating. Okay, let's see for B. Let's empty the token M to this one thing and let's see the results now. As you can see, it's just getting the data from the token M. It's not getting nothing done from the model. It's just getting the data from the token M.csv file. See something, make sure I'm correct. And I would have been, let me just, yeah. When GPT have the strength, GPT-5 is just amazing how fast it works. Okay, where am I at? Okay, I just trained my data. Okay, let me go to my training script. Okay, I just trained my data like this. CSV looks like this. Data looks like this. Could help me with an inference script where I could put in a certain letter. It gives the full page matrices like this, for example. Okay, if I was to put a, I'll put this. And please do not use. Okay, let's see. This inference script works better without the cheating. Please make sure everything is defined and working correctly. Not, I'm trying to hurry up in this video. It's about my lunchtime. Okay. Let's see, make sure everything's defined, everything working. I know we're gonna get another error. Import. Please make sure everything is, at least we got an output without using the thing. Sorry for that. Working on something for the text site group. Here it is, as I'm doing now with this demonstration on modeling the AI. Developing this AI for this matrices. Here is the results. Could you make sure it's rounded and have no decimal numbers at all? Give me the script. Give me the script. Make sure it's rounded with no decimals at all. Okay. Go here. Do this. Results should be And don't get me wrong, I would have kept on GPT-4 if I had the service. Oh, import 3. Okay. Make sure that it's not using, or it is using Inference script. Please, 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 please do not use the token CSV for reference. That is cheating the AI. No, 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 no. Should be able to find what it has to do letter, from the letter. We set up everything inside Inference script so it is guided. I'm trying to hurry up and finish this video. That's why the only reason I am writing fast, but it keeps giving me the fucking data on the script. Sorry for the language. The data at all. Please do not give me the CFC data at all. I just want to punch my laptop now. As you can see, I hate when it's writing fast and just don't work. Okay, now we can fix things up. I thought the first script didn't have it. I didn't see it on the first script. And it worked somewhat. How did this work? Do they have... Let me see the script. What in the world? I don't want to see nothing. Oh, it's writing it can't. Okay, I see now. Just go here. Okay. This didn't have nothing. So let me go here one more time. I'll go here. This had nothing on there. No script that it led to, but it still gave me the results. Oh, yeah, second script. Oh, this did have token in. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's see what he got for me now. Claude. Hey, Mr. Claude. Okay. There we go. Infer. Okay, I will just get error after error until it's fixed, but I will just keep feeding it. I don't even got time to read it right now. I will just keep feeding the AI the error and see if it can fix it. Fix it, fix it. It should already know why is it. It should know that. This means. And as you can see, I had to go back to training the data differently. So now, taking this extra measurement, this will definitely not be getting done anytime soon. You already know how the data looks. Okay, let's go here. The issue is that the byte data was not trained properly to handle the sequence from A1 to A22. Where is it getting this information? This is the freaking data. This is the data. This is the data. And it's more than this. It keeps going. This is just an example. Oh, I'm forgetting that I did not go through this with this thing, but this clock, as you can see, my time is up. I'm not opening up new windows or doing anything. Just catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Abdul.